Hey, what's up, everybody? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road. So, I got a question. Who is riding today on President's Day? You know who? I am. It is cold today, but you know what? I don't care. I need to get out of the house. Today's forecast was for all day sunny and hovering between like 32 and 35 degrees today. Wind chills are supposed to be like in the teens, upper teens. I don't even wear heated gear because I don't own any. So I'm just out here in layers. I got a great Harley Davidson jacket on. It's functional for light winters into heavy winters, and man, it's been good. I had it for years now. So my pants are lined jeans, and I'm also wearing my chaps over the top, some heavy leather chaps, which is cool. And my foot gear are just regular, hiker boots that are really good in the cold. I hope some of you are not afraid of a little cold. I mean, yeah, it's cold, but if you're a true rider, you're on the road, just like I am right now. I was definitely expecting a lot of salt on the road and some black ice, and I'm on these twisties, as you can see here, and it's not bad at all. It's pretty cleared up. I mean, the snow is on the side. The other thing is, speaking of salt, I cleaned my bike up the night before after I finished work. I used hot water and some soap to take off any grime that's salty, because I was riding the previous days. And look at it now. You can see it in my windshield. It's like you can see the salt little circles and stuff like that. It's all over the bike too. But as soon as I get back home, I'm going right to the shop. I'm going to pull out the hose that is connected to the hot water, and dabble it down with some soap, just to keep that soap away from the frame and painted parts. Well, anyway, I hope you're not stuck at home and you're out here too, just like me, and having a good time enjoying these touring model bikes. My bike right now is a 19 Ultra Limited. It's a two-color bike, industrial gray and black, and loving every minute of it.